Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making several bows for newborn size. These particular bows I'm not selling, but I do sell these type of bows. And today I'm just going to do a video so you guys can watch me make these and kind of see how I do my middles. These strips of bullet fabric I got off of Etsy, and if I remember I will make sure to link them down below, and then I'll make sure I link down my rubber bands as well because I do use the rubber band method. You're also going to need a ruler to measure, and you're also going to need some sort of board to tie your bows on. You can also use your leg or your thigh like a lot of people do. I am just using this clear top that I have that just happens to be the perfect size for the wraps that I'm doing. Because these are going to a newborn, I'm actually folding over the band so that the band is a little bit skinnier. I like to do this most of the time if I'm making solid headbands, just because I don't particularly love the thicker headbands that most people do. So I like to fold mine over. Sometimes I can't do it if it's a print because you can't see the whole print, but if it's a solid like this, I really like to fold over my bands just like this. So the bow is still 5 inches, but the band width is not 5 inches, if that makes any sense. So I just folded it over just like that, kind of gives it a little bit thinner of a band, and it actually works out perfect for a baby's head that's a little bit smaller, like newborn to 6 months. Another thing I'd like to point out with folding over your bands is that when baby gets older and baby's head gets bigger, mom can unfold the band and it's a little bit stretchier, and so it will actually fit baby just a little bit longer if you do it this way. To get really nice middles honestly takes a lot of practice. I have been doing these for a year and a half, And my bows did not start out looking like this. So it does take a lot of practice and a lot of patience. What I like to do is the part that I'm folding over to tie, I like to fold over a couple of times, and then once I pull it tight, I like to tuck both sides under to make a smaller middle. I like my middles to be smaller. Not everyone likes the smaller middle. Some people make their bows with bigger middles. You will have to see what kind of middles you like. And once you get it down, all of your bows will start to look uniform. But this is how I do mine. I really like the smaller middles, and like I said, after I'm done tying and pulling tight, I just play around with that middle section until I get it the way that I like it. Now, as you know, when you're ordering fabric online, sometimes the fabric colors look a little bit different on the computer. These two are a lot closer in color than I thought they were when I bought them online, but they still are two different colors, but they just looked slightly different once I was buying them. If you're a beginner at making bows and bow wraps, I do have a video that is beginner friendly on how to make a bow and a bow wrap. This was not a how-to, it was more so how I do my middles to give you guys some ideas on how to perfect them a little bit. Mine are not perfect by any means, but I do like the way that they turn out. These bows are going to one of my good friends for a baby shower. Like I said, these are not for sale, but I do sell bows like those. So I will link my shop down below if you are interested in the bows that I make. Or, as I said, if you are interested in learning how to make a bow like this, I will link that video down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.